me. In front of me is the ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on Apps section. After that, select Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options, like Camera. Then click on an app that you wish to manage, in my case Messages, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with deny, so I have to click on it. And in this case, just deny anyway in the pop-up. Now when I go back, as you can see, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you are interested in, like Location and Calendar. Over here you need to choose the All Calendar permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!